Remember to catch me. That's a crucial part of the plan. We never discussed that! Get footage! This is Sticks the Badger, and I jumped out of an airplane to prove to you all that I'm not crazy!
This water siphoning scheme will make me millions! Unless, of course, I get caught red-handed. That'd be a publicity nightmare. The shareholders would throw a fit!
Uh-huh! Busted!
My New Year's resolution should be to stop announcing my evil plans.
I told you Eggman was stealing our water!
Actually, I told them, but that's on me. I'm gonna build an evil plan announcement filter that'll... Ah!